Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no audio issue in your computer. So first you can see in the taskbar the sound icon. Make sure it is not muted. If you see it is like this, that means it is muted, so you have to unmute that one. Once it's done, right click on this sound icon. First close this one and then tap on open volume mixer. In this menu, make sure all the sound slide bars are not muted. If you see it is like this, that means it is muted. So unmute that one and change the sound according to that. So once it is done, check the output device and input device. Make sure it is correctly set like this. So then after close this one. And again go to search bar, search for sound setting, tap on it, scroll down and go to more sound setting option. In the playback tab, make sure your default device is set as a output device. So if you see it is not set as default device, right click on it, right click on it and tap on set as default device. Once it is done, tap on OK and close this one. Again go to search bar, search for run, tap on it. In here you need to type services.msc, tap on OK. Scroll down until you find Windows Audio. Yeah, it is right here. Double tap on it. Make sure to startup type set as automatic. If it is set as manual, you need to change it to automatic. Then after you have to stop the service and start again the service. Once it is done, tap on apply, tap on OK and close this one. Again go to sound setting, tap on it, scroll down again and go to more sound setting and go to in the playback section, tap on your device, tap on properties and go to enhancement section. Make sure to tick the disable all enhancement. If it is not ticked, you have to tick it, then apply and OK. Close this one now and close this one. Again go to start menu, go to set, go to in the under the system section, scroll down and go to troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters. You can see there is option called playing audio. Just tap on run button there. It will identify the audio related issue using Windows troubleshooter. Now it is detecting the issues. Yeah, so you can select the device which has issue. If you has speaker related issues, you can tick this one and tap on next. Then it will be identify the issues related with that one, and it get you the idea how to fix that issue. Once it is done, you can cancel this and close this one. And right click on the start menu again. Go to device manager in this time and double tap on sound, video and game controllers. Choose your audio driver, right click on it, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it has latest update, it will be download. Do the same thing for other devices also. And if you saw any unwanted audio driver from here, you can just right click on it and tap on uninstall device. Once it is done, you have to restart your computer. If it is not working, again go to device manager and go to sound, video and game controllers. Right click on the driver, go to update driver. In this time you have to choose the second option, browse my computer for drivers, and again choose this one and choose the audio driver and tap on next. This will reinstall the same driver for you. If the installed driver has some kind of issue, the reinstallation will be fix that issue. So after all things done, again go to start menu and go to Windows Update. If you pause or not check the update recently, you have to check the updates. So it will be download latest update related audio and other things. So these are the method you can try to fix your issue. And none of the issues is currently not working and previously it is worked on your computer, you can do the system restore. So it needs another video to how to do that. So you can choose find that video in the YouTube also. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.